Om. We dedicate today's program. Figure it out. To all mothers. And those who are not mothers shouldn't be jealous. Many embodiments, they have been also mothers. But that's a sweetie stage. Mother is called Matri. Ma is an essence of Om. The child cries as Ma, Ma. The essence of Om must permeate three aspects of your consciousness. Three. The world process, the relative world. In dream, three things are wrong. Our dream has three ingredients: subject, object, and interacting experience. But all these three should become positive. You look at yourself and discover you are enfolded by Divine Mother. Look at the world. That world also is expression of the glory of Divine Mother. And look at your experiences of pleasure and pain. They are also designed by the love of the Mother, leading the soul to enlightenment. Nothing do you experience just by accident. Accident doesn't exist even accidentally. So that's Matri. May the Divine Mother enfold the three, the seer, seen, and sight. And if that happens, you are one with God. God is both. He is Pitri, He is Matri. Matri Devo Bhava. Pitri Devo, people don't celebrate that so much. Father's Day. In human relations, mother triumphs over all sweet relations. That's again allegorical point. So, all mothers must understand their role. They are a channel of the universal mother. Therefore, their babies are Rama, Krishna, Shiva in their arms, or Devis, boys and girls, all are divine.